Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix contacts not showing up in your WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So let us get started with you. And let's say you go to your phone book, your contacts, and you know that there was a contact here that for some reason is not showing up in your WhatsApp, but you had it in your phone book and you can't find it. Then for that, I recommend you to go to your phone settings to fix this situation. Next, go to your Apple ID and then click on iCloud. And here you'll need to select Show Everyone. And here go the contacts. You will see an option like this in front of the contact, and you will need to enable it. By doing this, you will have the contacts synchronized between your iPhone and iCloud. Because maybe the contact is missing from your iPhone, but if it is on iCloud, then after this synchronization, it will reappear in your phone book. After that, friends, go back to your phone settings, scroll down to the bottom, find the WhatsApp app, click on it. And this is where you will also need to synchronize your contacts and also see if you have that button active. If it is not active, then you will need to enable it. So there will be a synchronization between the contacts on your phone and WhatsApp app. And this can fix the situation if some contacts were not shown in WhatsApp app earlier. Friends, this is the way you can fix the contacts which were not showing up in your WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.